Good afternoon, guys. Today it's Saturday, 3rd April 2021, and today I'm going to talk about stock market in brief because if I'll talk in detail, it will be a very huge video. So, lots of time people ask me, stock, can we make a career out of stock market? Is it possible? Can we earn our livelihood through stock market knowledge? So my answer to everyone is yes, but stock market में भी मेहनत करनी पड़ती है. You have to devote your time here. You have to practice the technicals. You have to have the full knowledge of fundamentals, and you must have the most important quality is that you should have patience is the key to success in stock market. Most of the time when we book our loss, our trade whenever our trade gives us loss, that is the actual time the people start to buy. The intelligent people who thinks from head, they think it's a buying opportunity. Just imagine 24th March 2020 when Nifty came to 7511. Everybody was saying कि Nifty 5000 हो जाएगा, 4000 हो जाएगा. It's because you go with the flow only. You don't realize कि stock market index can never be zero. Anyway, let me tell you few things which will definitely help you in stock market. One thing, always be ready to accept your defeat. Accept your defeat मतलब मैं उन traders के लिए बोल रहा हूँ. I'm talking about the traders who never feels that they will be wrong, who feels they will always be right. मतलब अगर उन्होंने बाई किया या सेल किया, the stock will go up or go down accordingly. But here the competition of yours is not with any kind of human being. It's with a machine. It's with a machine which don't have any kind of sentiments. आपका यहाँ जो कंपटीशन है वो किसी मशीन के साथ है, ना किसी ह्यूमन बीइंग के साथ है जिसके अंदर इमोशंस होते हैं. तो it's always better when your trade is going on the wrong side. As quick as you accept your defeat, it will help you a lot in going a long way in this stock market. Now, what can make career for you in stock market? There are several exams organized by NISM, capital market basic, capital market derivatives, research analyst. Like I've given a few of them and passed out in all those exams, but still I think I'm still a learner, because in stock market you can never be a expert. Once your head starts to think that you are an expert, this is the only thing which will drag you down only. So always keep your calm and be down to earth in stock market and be ready to accept your defeat. And why people lose money? Most of the time whenever I go to Chennai, Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore, most of the people ask me why always people lose money in stock market, why they don't win. It is because there are three type of people who join stock market. One is an investor, one is a trader, and one is a trader, or you can say positional trader, and one is a speculator. स्पेक्यूलेशन का मतलब मैं आपको समझाता हूँ. मतलब उनको सट्टा ही करना है इधर की उधर. तो मोस्ट ऑफ अस जॉइन स्टॉक मार्केट एज ए स्पेक्यूलेटर, because in the morning if you invest 10k, you want in the evening it should be 15k, but the real result is always it becomes 7k or 8k, and the very next day it becomes 5k, and in few days it becomes 0. Why this happens? Because without any knowledge you join the futures and options segment. And options is the very easy way to start trading in stock market, because with a very small capital of 5k also you can buy any option or call option और पुट ऑप्शन. एंड वो इतना अट्रैक्ट करता है, द वे दिस ऑप्शन अट्रैक्ट्स अस. यस, ये दाव लग गया तो 5,000 का 50,000 बन जाने का. बट द मिस्टेक इज़ दैट कि वी डोंट स्टडी बिफोर बाइंग और कॉल ऑप्शन और पुट ऑप्शन. सो to be successful in stock market, firstly you should learn about the fundamentals. Now what is fundamental, I'll definitely explain in some other video. Now secondly, you should have the knowledge of technicals also. Thirdly, you should know the market sentiments also. Now what is sentiment? Sentiment also play fundamental. most of you knows कि फंडामेंटल क्या होता है. कंपनी की बैलेंस शीट, कंपनी के प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस एंड ऑल. टेक्निकल्स विच हेल्प्स अस where to enter, where to exit, and where to hold or not. Now sentimental, what is sentimental? Sentimental means, suppose now the COVID has started and the lockdown has started in the country. Now which businesses will do well and which businesses will do not do well, that sentiment will start giving its effect in the market. Now during the lockdown, which sectors performed well? The pharma sectors, the daily use food sectors. So that gradually your knowledge develops and you understand about this. And सबसे बड़ा की आज मैं आपको समझाता हूँ, पेशेंस. पेशेंस क्या होता है? मोस्ट ऑफ द ट्रेडर्स आर मतलब so impatient. As soon as 9:15 AM starts, the market starts, they are dying to just put their money in any kind of call option or put option. मेरा मानना है, if you are patient enough and if you are waiting for your entry, and even if it takes 1 or 2 days or 3 days also, then your chances of winning are always high. And if you impatiently put your money for trading, there's always a chance that you will come out losing. So, and learning technicals is very very important. Like if you do any kind of business, हम stock market को we most of the people when I meet them, they tell me a gamble है, it is not nothing a business. I tell them this is a business. Whenever you start a business, suppose आपने कपड़े की दुकान स्टार्ट की, if you have started a cloth shop, what first thing you do? You research about clothes. कौन से क्लोथ क्या होता है ये आपको नॉलेज होनी पड़ेगी. क्या यहाँ चलेगा, क्या नहीं चलेगा, ये सारी रिसर्च करने के बाद ही आप एक दुकान खोलते हो. यू ओपन अ शॉप. बट इन स्टॉक मार्केट दिस इज वेरी इजी. यू जस्ट open a demat account and a trading account, and the very next day you put your money and you yourself treated it as a gamble. It is not a gambling market, guys. It is a purely a business, but you have to put your money slot by slot, time by time, patiently. Most of the people क्या करते हैं, एक ही बार में सारा पैसा एक ही ट्रेड में डाल देते हैं, एक ही बार में जल्दी रईस बनने. It is not a shortcut to become rich. So that's it for now. किसी और दिन मैं और भी कुछ समझाऊंगा.